Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. My name is Joanna Vargas, and I will be your moderator for today's virtual career fair with LexisNexis. We have a lot of exciting things to talk about, so let's jump right in. Our agenda for today includes the speaker introductions, LexisNexis, about the company and the culture and environment, benefits, job openings, skills qualifications, salary and training, and then the application and interview process. With that said, let me start off by introducing our speakers from LexisNexis, Jim Campanella and Rick Nightenbach. Welcome, gentlemen. Jim, let's start with you. Can you tell us a little bit about your role with LexisNexis?
Sure, absolutely. Rick and I lead our sales teams who are focused on supporting our small to medium-sized customers and prospects. More specifically, we're responsible for the 1 to 2 employee size, or in our case, attorney size. I focus on helping our team members problem solve, remove obstacles, and develop them into great sales representatives.
Excellent, thank you. Rick, how about you? What is your overall role with LexisNexis?
Yes, thank you. Jim and I are peers within the Specialized Law Division within LexisNexis. While Jim is responsible for leading the sales and service of our teams in our 1 and 2 attorney segments, I lead the sales and consulting teams that sell and service our 3 to 50 customer segments.
That's great. Thank you both. Glad to have you on the call with us today. Rick, could you please start off with telling us about LexisNexis as a company? What is it that they do over there? And also, why should prospective candidates consider LexisNexis as their next career move?
Well, LexisNexis is the industry leader in legal research and law office productivity solutions. We actually created the first online legal research system over 50 years ago, and we've evolved today into the global leader of professional online research systems and solutions that are available to law firms, organizations, government agencies, and so forth. What I would like to share with any prospective candidate looking to LexisNexis as a company that they are interested to join is that we are one of the most dynamic and innovative companies that they could ever hope to build a career with. We lead our chosen markets today, in fact, because we not only invest a lot in our products and technology, but we also invest a lot in our people. That's something that you're going to hear consistently from the people that we work here with now, and also from people that have worked here previously. Beyond our people and taking a lot of pride in our culture, I think one of the most exciting things for me, after having been with LexisNexis for several years, are the customers that we serve and the opportunity that we have in front of us. When you're consistently developing new products and technology like we are, you will always have a new set of opportunities and products in front of you to better enable our customers and in turn your success over the course of your career. In short, we have great products, we have great people, and we have a great set of customers to sell those products to, and we will for a very long time to come.
Great. Jim, can you go over the culture and environment?
Absolutely, happy to. We always hear about great cultures from different companies. However, I think it's important to share why I believe our culture is unique. Everything we do revolves around our people, our customers, our process, and our technology. LexisNexis has a strong brand in the legal industry, and we enable our teams to represent a product and service offering that is arguably the best in the world. As a sales professional, knowing that you're backed by a strong brand and a product that performs gives you confidence and creates a winning environment. We value innovation, an entrepreneurial spirit, and a customer-first mentality. We also strive to develop and coach our teams so they can achieve great success. Finally, we do everything we can not to take ourselves too seriously and have some fun. Whether it's team-level competitions or off-site gatherings, our employees enjoy being around each other.
Sounds like a great place to work. I'm sure everyone would love to hear about the benefits for these positions. Jim, can you please provide some detail around what your company is offering in that respect?
I sure can. We offer a wide range of benefits that comes with working from a larger organization. Whether it's a generous vacation package, excellent insurance coverage, or a chance to participate in events or clubs that make an impact in our local community, LexisNexis has so many benefits that our employees can take advantage of. Also, it's important to note that our sales commission plan is uncapped and designed to inspire our teams to achieve great results. Last, our leadership is highly committed to our sales representative success. Ongoing training and development is a major benefit that should be recognized.
Great. Let's get into the meat of why we're here today and discuss the 2 job openings, the tele-account executives and tele-client managers. Jim, can you start off with the tele-account executives, also known as the TAEs? and summarize the responsibilities?
Yes, the telesales account executives are tasked with developing new relationships with our prospects. In our space, Rick and I have over 335,000 prospects for our TAEs to contact. Each TAE has a territory where they are required to reach prospective customers and demonstrate the value of LexisNexis. We provide targeted accounts and marketing qualified leads that are embedded in our CRM to aid that effort. If you enjoy the thrill of hunting for new accounts, the TA role is for you.
Thanks, Jim. What skills and qualifications should a potential candidate have for the TAE roles?
We look for several key characteristics in our TAEs. The most important is that they must be coachable. We have an experienced sales team of sales leaders and team members who are more than willing to help train our new employees. If you're willing to learn and be coached, you'll be more successful. The next is a drive for results mentality, and finally someone who's adaptable and willing to see the big picture and take on new challenges. Our most successful TAEs are accountable for the results and have a positive outlook and attitude to the opportunity allotted to them.
Great. Rick, how about the tele-client managers? How are these roles different from the TAEs?
Well, the telephonic client manager role is also an important position for us in helping to retain and grow our customer base once we sell the new customer. The main difference between the TAE role versus the telephonic client manager position is that the TAE's primary role is to sell a brand new customer to LexisNexis. Once they sell that customer, it's essentially transferred or handed off to a client manager to manage that customer for the life of their contract. And throughout that process, they're responsible for assisting customers in maximizing the value of our solutions, selling customers additional products, and renewing their customers when their contracts expire.
Okay, great. Can you please go over the skills and qualifications of these roles?
Yes, the ideal candidate for the TCM role is someone with 3+ years of successful business-to-business sales and account management experience. The candidate must also demonstrate excellent communication and presentation skills, as well as interpersonal skills, because they'll be contacting and interacting with C-level law firm partners and executives and their internal team members. They must also have a history of success in a goal-oriented environment and demonstrate they can achieve an annual sales goal by effectively identifying, targeting, and closing sales opportunities. To do this effectively, they need to have the ability to demonstrate and develop strong relationships and key customer contacts with decision makers. Finally, we want people on our team that are hungry to learn, welcome change, they're innovative, and ultimately be motivated to be with an organization that will require them to be at their best every day.
Sounds like you have some really great opportunities over at LexisNexis for the right individuals and offer a competitive salary. Rick, what can you tell us about the training that is offered?
Our training programs are extensive and ongoing. Each new person we hire goes through several weeks of both hands-on and classroom instruction. In addition, it's also a common practice to assign each new hire a mentor, who is often a peer rep that will play an active role in the new hire's education and ramp up to ensure they're successful in their first few months in the role. We also have a complex list of products and combination of those products to sell, and we want every opportunity and every representative at LexisNexis to have all the tools and education that they need in order to be successful. So in order to ensure your success, we must invest heavily in your training so you're fluent with our solutions and you can meet the expectations for your role.
For those that are interested and excited to hear more, how can they apply and what should candidates expect in terms of next steps? Jim?
Sure. People can apply directly via the virtual career landing page using the red button that says click to apply. Our recruiting team will then be in touch with them for further discussion and instructions.
Seems like a pretty standard process. Thank you both for taking the time to discuss these wonderful opportunities at LexisNexis, and thank you everyone for listening in. Don't forget to click on the link to apply. Once you've applied and submitted your contact information, the recruiting team will be in touch and can help answer any additional questions you may have. This concludes our career webinar. Take care, everyone, and have a great day. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you.